Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add music to your Canva videos using the 2025 version. Whether you are making a YouTube intro, a promo, or a social media reel, adding the right music can completely level up your content. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Canva account and open the video project you are working on. You can start from scratch or open an existing template. Make sure you are in the Canva video editor. You will know because you will see a timeline at the bottom. For timeline, click on edit. Or create an or create a new project from project. Or template, like select video. Click on now. To find music, go to the left hand menu and click on audio. From elements, search music, and add a music from here, like a free music. uh, First of all, you need to a complete project for your, like that. Now find the music from left hand side, click on audio, click element, then music, then select it and click on that. Now play the video from here. The music is added. You will find hundreds of royalty free tracks in different genres like upbeat, cinematic, chill, electronic, and more. You use the search bar for your music. Use filters by mood or genre. Click the play icon to preview the track, like that. The music will drop into the audio section at the bottom of your timeline. You can drag the track left or right, start where you want, like that. Duplicate or split if needed for longer videos. If your video is short, you may want to trim the music to match the length of your clips. Let's make your video sound clean and professional with volume controls and fade in. Click on the audio track. At the top, click on volume icon. Adjust to about like that, 10 to 30% if you have voiceovers or talking. Click audio effects like fade in, fade out for a smoother transition. If your video has voice or narration, always lower your background music to avoid clashing. Want to use your own custom music or a licensed tag? No problem. Go to Uploads tab, click Uploads file, and select your music from here. Once uploaded, drag it like that. Only use music you have the right to, especially if you are only use music you have the rights to, especially if you are uploading to YouTube or social media. You can get creative by syncing your video clips with the beat of the music. Zoom in on the timeline. Look for beat spikes in the audio waveform. When you are happy with the final results, go to the top corner share button, click on that, then download and select your preferred file type like MP4 and click on download button. And that's how easy it is to add music to your Canva videos in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you are creating in Canva right now. Thanks for watching.